I don't like reaction videos. So today, I'm making one. But instead of faking drama for the algorithm, we're reacting to an actual master of jazz and figuring out exactly why he sounds so good. And yes, we're stealing it too. Listen to this. Now don't mistake this for a jazz channel. We look at whatever we feel like when we wake up in the morning. So first, which tools do we need to play this? The B-flat minus 6th diminished scale. It consists of these two chords. Next we'll need those two chords as drop 2 voicings.
Get to the point, Froggy.
And now I'm dividing the solo into 4 parts. Part 1, the single note phrase. Part 2, the first rhythm. Part 3, the second rhythm. And Part 4, the end. Now the next rhythm starts, so for me it's important to practice the rhythms separately. So Pasquale is playing diminished shapes rather than strictly playing the inversions of B-flat minor 6, and it sounds great, and the minor 6 shapes are so closely related to the diminished shapes anyway. It's the shifting rhythmic placement that makes it so compelling. Let me know if you enjoyed this reaction video. This is all just my perspective, my goofy opinion. Feel free to destroy it in the comments. Thank you for watching.